Hello! I am going to show you how you are going to upload your phonemic awareness for day 5. So the first thing you want to do is go to your modules. And I'm going to find day 5. Here is phonemic awareness, week 2, day 5. I'm going to click on that. And then you're going to see what you've seen all week. We're practicing our phonemic awareness and nonsense words. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Submit Assignment. Then I'm going to click right here where it says Record Upload. And you're going to see me. Hi. So if I don't want to do a video of myself, I can actually click down here where it says Webcam. And I can go to No Video. And then all you see is my voice. So if you want to do one without a video, you can do that. Or if you just want to do audio, you can do that as well. You choose. I'm going to use webcam, so I'm going to click back on webcam and back to easy camera. So now you can see me again. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to click Start Recording. It's going to count down for you. And then I'm going to come up here to these words and I'm going to record these words for my teacher. So I would start cat, hat, wat, at, mat. You get the idea. So you're just going to go through and read these and the nonsense words. When you are all finished, you're going to click the Finish button. And now you can see my video right here. I can rewatch it if I want to, or if I don't like it, I can do it again. I can click Start Over. Right here is where I'm going to put my title. So I'm going to write, for this week, I'm going to write PA for Phonemic Awareness, and I'm going to type my name. And I'm going to click Save. And this is the part that takes the very longest. You have to wait, actually probably at least a minute or two before it saves for you. When it's all done saving, you're going to have a little video like this. Right here, you can write comments to your teacher. Or if you want to tell them things about your video, you can add those here. When you are all finished, you're just going to click this big Submit Assignment button.